Mama. Talk to Mama. Hi. What are you doing? Aren't you fussing? I'm getting sleepy. Oh my goodness, what a long day it's been already. Huh. Yeah, so you're a sweet girl. You talk to Mommy. You tell me about it. Tell me how you're such a sweet girl. Oh yeah. Yeah. Say I love you, Nana. Say I love you, Papa. There you go. Say I'll see you later. I'm gonna go take a nap right now so I can be happy. So you can be happy? Yeah, so you can be happy. Okay. Say bye-bye.